Equivalent circuit of transformer. This is a equivalent circuit of transformer. Let V1 is given to primary winding of transformer. V1 is the AC supply. This R1 is the resistance of primary winding. X1 is the leakage reactance of primary winding. I1 is the primary current. I0 is the no load current. IC is the core loss current. RC is core loss resistance. Core loss is also called as iron loss, which is hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. Im is the magnetizing current. Xm is the magnetizing reactance. I1 dash is the current through primary winding. E1 is the primary induced EMF, and this is a primary winding which have N1 number of turns at primary. This is a core, transformer core. This is a secondary winding which have E2 secondary induced EMF. N2 is the number of turns at secondary. R2 is the resistance of secondary winding. X2 is the leakage reactance of secondary winding. I2 is the secondary current. ZL is the inductive load. V2 is the output voltage. Suppose if we apply KVL to this loop, then V1 is equal to R1 into I1 plus X1 into I1. Here will be JX1 into I1 plus E1. Using KVL we can write V1 is equal to R1 I1 plus JX1 I1 plus E1. V1 is equal to, if we take this I1 common, then I1 into R1 plus X1 plus E1. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now if we apply KVL to loop 2, if we apply KVL to this loop, then we get, let us say this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Then we get E2 is equal to R2 into I2 plus JX2 into I2 plus this V2. E2 is equal to R2 into I2 plus JX2 I2 plus V2. If we take this I2 common, then we get E2 is equal to I2 into R2 plus X2 plus V2. Let us say this is equation number 2. Now using KCL we can write I1 is equal to, this I1 is equal to, KCL states that summation of incoming current at a node is equal to summation of current leaving the node. So I1 is equal to I1 dash plus I0. I1 is equal to I1 dash plus I0. Also this I0 is equal to IC plus IM. I0 is equal to IC plus IM. Equivalent circuit referred to primary. Let us say this is V1, this is R1, this is X1, this is RC, this is XM, this is I1 and this is I0. Now we want to find I2 dash. So I2 dash is equal to N2 upon N1 into I2. X2 dash is equal to N1 upon N2 square X2. R2 dash is equal to N1 upon N2 whole square into R2. This V2 dash is equal to V2 into N1 upon N2. This load ZL dash is equal to N1 upon N2 whole square into ZL. Now equivalent circuit referred to secondary. Now this R2, X2 and V2 and this ZL will be kept as it is. And this V1 dash is equal to N2 upon N1 V1. R1 dash is equal to N2 upon N1 whole square R1. X1 dash is equal to N2 upon N1 whole square X1. I0 dash is equal to N1 upon N2 into I naught, RC dash is equal to RC into N2 upon N1 whole square, Xm dash is equal to N2 upon N1 whole square Xm. So this is all about the equivalent circuit of transformer.